dance. Everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all.
Throw your hands in the air right now, man.